Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and enjoying your vacation. Please do study as well. We'll start lesson number 1, crop production and management. First of all, what is agriculture? Agriculture word is derived from Latin word ager means land and culture means cultivation. So cultivation on land. Before 10,000 BC, people are nomadic. Nomadic means moving from one place to another place for searching of food as well as shelter. And they ate raw materials, fruit and vegetables. Slowly, their minds develop and they start cultivation. So let's start with crop. What is crop? When plants of the same kinds are grown at one place in large scale is known as crop. For example, growing up paddy or wheat or mustard. We know that there are varieties of crop in India and these crops are depends on season by season. On the basis of season, there are two type of crop. First one is Kharif crop and second one is Rabi crop. Start first Kharif crop. What is Kharif crop? A crop which is grown in rainy season and time duration is from June to September, and examples of these crops are groundnut, cotton, paddy, maize and soybean and all. Second crop is Rabi crop. It is grown in winter season and time duration is generally from September, October to March, April. And examples of these crops are wheat, gram, peas, mustard and linseed. In agriculture, sowing of seeds, we have to follow some basic practices. These practices are preparation of soil, sowing, adding manure and fertilizer, irrigation, protecting from weeds, harvesting and at last storage. Let's start with first topic, preparation of soil. It is the first step before sowing the seed and very important step. Preparation of soil means just plowing the soil, means loosening and turning, and it is very important because if we will lose and turn the soil, it allows the roots to penetrate deep in the soil and help in the increasing the farmer friendly microbes such as bacteria which provide humus to the soil. So process of loosening and turning of soil is known as tilling and plowing. This is done by using plows. Plows are made up of wood and iron. Sometimes what happens, soils are very hard, so before plowing we have to add water in the soil, so it is necessary. If particles of soil are very big, so it is necessary to crunch it by using leveler and planks. Implements used in preparation of soils are plows, hoe and cultivator. First one is plow. It is being used since ancient time for tilling the soil as well as for adding manure and removing of weeds. It contains a long, strong triangular iron. This is known as plowshare and handle is made up of wood and it is known as plow shaft. The next one is cultivator. Nowadays, plowing is done by the tractor-driven cultivator and it helps to save labor and time. Next step is sowing. Sowing very important. After preparing the soil, sowing of seed is important. But before sowing of seed, we have to select good quality of seed. So let's see the activity how to select good quality of seed. Take a beaker, fill with water and add seeds of wheat. What you will observe? Let's see. Just see here. Some seeds are floating and some sinks in the water. Are there seeds which float on water? Would those be lighter or heavier? Definitely they are lighter because they are damaged seed. So by this method, farmers select the good quality of seed which provides high yield. Traditional tools. The tool used traditionally for sowing is shaped like a funnel in which we have to add seeds and pipe-like structure present here through which seeds will reach to the soil. Nowadays, seed drill is used. This tool sows the seed uniformly at proper distance, and this prevents the damage of caused by birds. Sowing by using seed drills save time as well as labor. Next topic is adding manure and fertilizer. Actually, continuous growing of crops makes the soil poorer in particular nutrients. So, substances which are added to the soil which provide nutrients are known as manure and fertilizer. So, therefore, farmer add manure to the fields to replenish the soil with nutrients, and this is called manuring. Proper manuring is very important for high yield, high production of crop. What are fertilizer? Fertilizers are chemical substances which are prepared in laboratory which provide particular nutrients, for example nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. But there is advantage of fertilizer, it provides high yield with fast rate, but there is a disadvantage as well. Excessive use of fertilizer make soil either acidic in nature or basic in nature, as well as it's become a source of water pollution. Now advantage of manure over fertilizer. It enhances the water holding capacity of the soil as well as it makes the soil porous, so exchange of gases take place properly. And next advantage is it increases the number of farmer friendly microbes such as earthworms, and it improves the texture of soil. Now, difference between manure and fertilizer. First difference, manure is prepared in the soil, at home, at field, and fertilizers prepared in factories. Manures are organic substance. Organic substance means obtained from plants, animals, vegetables, cow dung. And fertilizers are inorganic substance which is prepared in factories. Next one, fertilizer does not provide any humus. What is humus? Previous year in lesson of soil you have studied dead and decay matter of soil is known as humus, but manure provide a lot of humus. Fertilizer provides nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, but manure is relatively less rich in plants nutrients. Okay beta. Next topic, irrigation, protecting our weeds, harvesting and storage as well as animal husbandry we will see in next video.